Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace and a Tiny Product Lab. We're going to continue with CARRD related questions for designers, for creators, and folks building online agencies in 2026. Got to make these videos very fast these days because my 3 dogs are really unhappy with any time that I don't spend focused on them. So they bark in the background. All right, so a lot of questions still on using CARRD for list building purposes. So here is still the template and the approach I recommend. Simply, if you have a client that you're building a simple landing page for their email marketing campaign, don't forget you can offer email marketing as a big back-end service and give away something like this either for a very low cost or even for free. In the back end of your CARRD account, you are going to just pick the email marketing service that your client prefers. All these are simple one-click API integrations. Some have a few more steps than others. For an example, I use Ghost. You can look at trippytherapy.com and see our most recent project, which is built on Ghost. So the email marketing piece there is built on Ghost. But if I wanted a single page opt-in that was generating signups for that site, I could simply integrate Ghost right there, and then you enter your API key and the API URL, etc. Ghost is a little bit more complicated, and it's still very simple, but it's a little bit more step-oriented than the others. Button down, there's the API key. You can see it's already inputted. You can see here, this is already an existing integration that I have. So if you go to this site here, I think it's a marketplace built on Framer, which you can see there. All right, so products that were selling on, here, let's try this one here. All right, which is a Gumroad fulfilled product marketplace. Okie doke. So all this becomes very, very easy within CARRD, and you simply want to take the form right there and add any of these here. They all have different sort of steps, but they're all pretty simple. As you can see, API key, publication ID, and you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. You can change the on completion functionality, so you can redirect to a URL. You can display a message. You can run code. I still have never done that, not once, because I'm not a coder and really have no idea what I would be doing there. Or you could do nothing, which is just building a list, and then for yourself or your client, and then actually just kind of nothing happens other than they get an email from the email service provider that you're using, again, that you would select from right here. All right, as you can hear in the background, one of the 3 dogs is bouncing out of his skull because I'm across a living room fence and he's not happy about it. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. As always, I appreciate you listening and have a wonderful day.